So, I've received a message from my dentist reminding me of my scheduled appointment in August, the 26th of August, 4:30 p.m. Normally, I would go into the calendar app, look for the day, and making sure that the day is correct before I add the event. But this time round, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to open up the message, and then after that, I'm going to press the side button to activate Galaxy AI, ask it to read the screen, and tell it to create the calendar event. So pressing the side button. Can you create a Google Calendar event based on the text message I received on the screen?
I have created a Google Calendar event for your dental appointment with Dr. Amin at Pacific Smiles Dental Aspley on August 26, 2025 at 4:30 p.m.
Isn't that cool? It captured the event, which is my dentist appointment, captured the date, 26th of August, 4:30 p.m., and it kind of assumed my dental appointment is going to take about 1 hour to 5:30 p.m. And the best part is, it even captures and went into the Google map to find my dentist location and put that onto the Google Calendar. This means when it's time for me to drive to my dentist, maybe 1 hour before the event, it will send me a reminder and the Google Maps route. So if we were to jump into the Google Calendar now, and this is July, so August 26th, that's my dental appointment with Dr. Amin. And look at this, Pacific Smile Dental Aspley, that's the location. So what that means is during the appointment, when I'm about to go for my dentist appointment, all I need to do is I just need to press on the map location. And there we go. It goes straight to my dentist location. And all I have to do is start driving on Google Map navigation. This is super convenient. Hey everyone, you're watching Sky Perspective channel. And if you find this video useful, please like and share this video so this video can be useful to an even wider audience. Thanks for your help and I'll see you in the next video.